Say hi.
Hi guys.
So I was at Whole Foods the other day, and they had all ice cream and frozen novelties on sale through the end of July. And I thought that's really great because, you know, July, peak summer months, who doesn't want ice cream? So I picked up a pint of my favorite right here, and it's not ice cream. It is frozen yogurt. I don't consume lactose. If you're familiar with lactose, it's actually a sugar. Fermentation process actually eats up those sugars, and it uses those sugars as fuel. So that's what makes it a probiotic, right? So we're getting rid of the lactose. We're introducing beneficial microbes to our bodies. I love this yogurt because they do it best. So if you watch my channel, you know I talk about eating healthy, making healthy choices and everything, and you might be thinking like, oh, what is a root beer float gonna do for my health? Okay, it's not the best thing, but if you're going to have a root beer float, this is the best way to do it. We've got the Virgils root beer, which is probably the best root beer on the market in my opinion, and it's healthier than other root beers. Stonyfield organic frozen yogurt. Who doesn't love Virgils? My wife, she hates root beer. I like to start with a room temperature root beer. It seems to melt the ice cream better. It's a drink, right? Mix it up a little bit, break the ice cream up. So the first critical step in a root beer float is to actually drink it. It's delicious, as always. If you're wondering how I scooped ice cream so easily with just a regular looking spoon, this is no regular spoon. It's actually forged stainless steel, nickel free, and I'll put a link to these really great spoons. It's like a company that's over 100 years old. So that's it. 2 ingredients. You'll make the best root beer float you ever had in your life. This ice cream alone is the best. It's frozen yogurt. It's not ice cream, but it's the best that you'll ever have in your life for sure. All right, thanks for watching. Say bye.